How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, are you all ready for your English class? Take out your notebook, pencil and eraser. Today I am going to teach you spelling of toy and uncle. So, first we have to write today's date 1313-1. Okay, 13th of January. Then C W. Now our first spelling is toy. Toy. T for toy. Okay. T for toy. Repeat along with me. T for toy. Write capital T because our first letter is always capital. Then small O. Then small Y. T-O-Y. Toy. Say loudly. T-O-Y. Toy. Speak while you are writing. T-O-Y. Toy. T-O-Y. Toy. Students, always remember our small letters Y is always from lower three lines. Okay, that is our black line to last red line. T-O-Y. Toy. 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 Students, you have to write full page of toy. Okay, full page of toy. T-O-Y. Toy. T-O-Y. Toy. Speak while you are writing. Again and again I am telling you, speak while you are writing. T-O-Y. Toy. 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 So students, you have to practice your full page of toy. Now I am going to teach you spelling of uncle. So students, again write here C-W. Now spelling of uncle. So our first letter is U. U for uncle. Okay. U for uncle. So always remember, when we are writing any spelling or any number name, our first letter is always capital. So write capital U N C L E. Uncle. Say loudly, UNCLE. Uncle. UNCLE uncle, UNCLE uncle. You have to write full page of uncle. Okay, UNCLE uncle, 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 UNCLE uncle. So students, we had completed our full page of toy and full page of uncle. Now we will do revision of spellings. Okay, revision of spellings. Now we will do revision of our previous portion, spelling from apple to jug. Okay, so start writing with me. A dash. एप्पल की स्पेलिंग क्या होती है? APPLE एप्पल. B dash. What is the spelling of ball? Yes, BALL ball. Then C dash. CAT cat. Then D dash. What is the spelling of dog? DOG dog. E dash. ELPH egg, or you can say E-double-G, egg. F-A-N, fan. G-G-U-N, gun. Then H-H-U-T, hut. I-I-C-E, eyes. Then our last spelling is J-J-U-G, jug. So students, practice it well. Till then, goodbye.